Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we've got dinner. So I'm still on holiday, guys. So this is what it looks like. We've got dinner. Look at the dinner here, guys. And then we've got chicken as well, so it's like a mixed dinner. There's the chicken there. And then we've got rice at the bottom. And chips as well. We've got a pepper. We've got salad, which I don't think I'm gonna really eat. I don't know. And there's like thing in there as well. Is that my salad? No, it's not. Yeah, so they put you like pickles, like pickled vegetables with it as well. Oh shit. Anyway, I'm gonna try and put this on top so you guys can see the food. I know it's not the best quality, guys, but you know when I'm on holiday I can't get the best quality. I hope everyone's had a great new year. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope this new year treats you well. I hope everyone had a good Christmas. So yeah, what did I do for New Year's Eve? Oh my God, look at the chicken, guys. It's massive.
I know.
Fresh.
Yes, fresh.
What do I do? Just the pickled gherkins.
No.
We've got Yasmin at the background, being naughty. She's eating like my Turkish pizza.
You know what they did get? Bread.
So I've got Coke Zero to drink. So for New Year's Eve, what did you guys do for New Year's Eve? Let me know. Okay, so what did you guys do for New Year's Eve? We went to like this little not a little restaurant, but we went to a restaurant next to the sea, and we had bare food. There was live music. You know, when I tell you bare food, pure, like so much food. Got Turkish rice.
Lots of.
Feel like dinner, guys. Where can you find dinner like this in London? That is mad. So fresh. This place that we got this from, it is always packed. Always packed up. This pepper here, oh my God, guys, it is so spicy. I'm gonna have a little bit. Like literally the tip. It's so spicy. Oh my God. When I tell you it's so spicy, just the tip of it. Mad. So we got this plate, 2 of them. Go eat your food. Chicken.
Get your food on.
Mama, this that.
Eat your food then.
Mama, this that. Mama, this that.
I'll start eating
Mama, this that.
Burger King.
Mama, this that.
Ah.
Sorry guys, loud, no, but like the layout there is just not great. So this is the best layout I can like find.
Don't want it.
Obviously comfortably as well.
I don't.
Mama, I want this that. Mommy.
Pickled.
Oh,
Even they're spicy, you know. She's laughing.
You just love it.
I do love spicy food.
And then, Mama, Daddy. Mister,
Jasmine, can you just eat, please?
Mister,
What's what?
Mister,
What?
Mister,
Jasmine, please.
a boy.
I wonder if this is spicy. Let's try it. No.
No,
Good.
there, it's number.
It is yummy.
Mama,
Oh, making a mess. I think that's a wet wipe in there. The thing I don't like about the salad is just not dressed, as in, there's no dressing. It was literally plain. What did you get, Aslam?
barbecue,
What did you get though?
chips and ice cream.
Chips and ice cream. What about nuggets?
I tried the nuggets, I didn't like
You
them.
don't like their nuggets?
I don't like the nuggets.
Okay.
My daddy. Ow. There. Mama did that.
Aslam, did you try the nuggets? You might actually like it.
I did try one, but I think I put it somewhere.
Did you try the nugget?
Yeah, but I didn't like it.
I didn't even see you try it.
I tried it because I tried it, but you didn't look at me try it. But I think it's in here somewhere, but I can't find it.
Maybe I'm getting full. Legit. Legit. Yeah, so guys, what have you been up to? How are we all? I hope everyone's well. Got
I'm
more
good.
pickles. I love how they're spicy. Are you guys having a good holiday?
Yeah. Yeah.
We came out here for the Christmas holiday.
I'm done with my chips already. Just for one little bite. It's like.
I wish you ate your nuggets too. Yes, we came out here for the Christmas holidays. 2 weeks.
A big.
Meet the sweet home.
Where's my ice cream?
Aslan got ice cream too.
It's in there.
Is it in there?
Here, Yasmin has the ice cream. Big. There's Yasmin. Yasmin, you have to finish your food first. And after you can have ice cream. I want.
You don't want no more? You didn't even eat.
You do want more, but you just want the ice cream. I want ice cream. You have ate nothing.
Just give her ice cream. Let's have a lot more chum, guys.
Ice cream for.
I like my new bag of You need to have it like with pickles. So good here. Give her ice cream, please.
Okay.
Give her ice cream. can go full. It's the Coke, you know, guys. Should be there. Careful.
Stop it, Mom.
I'm full, guys.
I don't know.
They do ice cream sundaes in Burger King here, but they always get the plain one. I get the caramel one. Banging.
Then what happened next?
Do you miss McDonald's last night?
Yes. Girlfriend, going tomorrow.
Yeah, literally our last day today. Today's our last day. Tomorrow we're leaving.
Be back to London. We are going McDonald's.
That's our tradition, guys. When we come back from holiday, and we come back from the airport, and we park at the airport with the car.
So we go straight to McDonald's.
Yeah, we go straight to the drive-thru, even if it's at night or whatever, because it's always 24 hours. We always get at McDonald's, like, we all get a Happy Meal. We always do it, and then we like fall to sleep in the car. They have McDonald's here, but it's on the Greek side. So, we're not on the Greek side, we're on the Turkish side, so. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you guys how much this costs, so. This plate, we got 2 of these plates, and we got lahmacun, 1 lahmacun, and it came to £16.23p. That's how much 2 of these mixed
Anne, tell them to subscribe
meal are.
and like the video.
Yeah, I'll tell them at the end when I'm finished. So that's not bad, you know, £16 for 2 mixed plates,
Yeah.
lahmacun, and you get 3 Cokes as well. Aslan's food came to, he got 9 nuggets meal,
I don't like nuggets.
but he doesn't like their nuggets. He likes the chicken tenders, but he's sick of chicken tenders now, so he didn't want it. We tried the nuggets and he didn't like them, so.
I tried them.
But you don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like them.
Okay, so yeah, he got 9 nuggets, chips, drink, and 2 ice cream sundaes
I don't know how
for
to
£5.23p. That is a bargain, mate. Oh, I left some chicken. I ate the rice chips. Done it. I'm full, man. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.